So what we done on it is true dualed it. So we crossed it over right there to equalize gas back pressure. Then we ran 2 1/4 all the way back into his existing dual exhaust that he had done about a month ago somewhere else. There and there, over the rear axle. And then we put our signature 5-inch tips on it to complete the look, give it a nice deep sound. As you guys can see, this is the old exhaust that was on it. Right there, there's that white pipe and another white pipe. We cut all that off, cut all that restriction off. There's the 2 tips that were on it before. Looks so much better, a lot cleaner, a lot nicer. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Like always, guys, make sure you subscribe. True duals all the way back to 5-inch tips. So much better. Now you can actually hear it. Again.